So the lining construction is quite similar to the starting off of the purse. I had the base of the bag here, which is, it's actually a hexagon, but once you have the final round it appears fairly circular. So I drew around some cardboard that I found in my parents-in-law's recycling. So I've got these two cardboard circles there, and then having the cardboard circles ready, I placed them on some scrap fabric, waste fabric here, and this is the same as the lining of the coin purse, and I've just made that again about a centimetre, half an inch larger than the cardboard circles. Everything is fairly roughly cut at the moment. I probably could have made the circles a little bit neater, but I haven't bothered. And so I'm going to start by gluing each of those, gluing the lining over each of those. And again, this is a stretch lining, so it won't fit particularly taut. I'll be placing glue around there and then folding the fabric over, and it will still be slightly loose on the other side because of being a stretchy type of fabric. And then I'll do the same with the other side. And then I'll be gluing the two pieces together. I don't know if the glue gun is hot yet. There we go. Okay. Let's put the stand up and get the spare sticks ready, as I'll probably need to top that up as I go. And so then the first circle is complete. That's how it looks on the other side. Smooth it out as much as I can. If you've watched before, you'll notice that I don't have my brown crochet backdrop anymore. That was a shawl that I created for a pattern for a magazine and made the sample to go with it for them. My mum really liked it, so I gave that to her for her birthday. And so there are the two circles for the base. So I'm going to turn one of them round, and then I'm gradually going to fasten the two of them together using the hot glue. Try and get them fairly close together. And then just work my way around the edge there. I was wondering about actually sewing this edge. I think it might have given a nicer result if I did. But then I reminded myself that nobody's going to see this part of the bag really, it's just going to stiffen it slightly. There we go, that's a nice fairly sturdy base for the bag that I can put in there. It's kind of low effort, low cost, but it will make the bag look a lot much better shape. And so I'm going to try that in the bag now and see the difference it makes. Let's put these glue sticks over with the glue gun. Put this right into the base of the bag. It doesn't need fixing in place, it stays quite nicely by itself. You can see the bag has a distinctive edging on here, and so there we go, we can see that's definitely looking a little bit neater and sturdier now that it's got that base in there.